Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Now let's get into this unboxing. Today I'm back with another hair review slash installation, and we are working with Curlsqueen. First of all, let us talk about their packaging. It's so cute and girly. It's giving bougie. It's giving very luxury vibe. And not to mention how they package the little goodies. They sent this defining brush. They send extra clips just in case you lose the one or damage the one that is already on the clippings. They sent this satin bonnet, can be worn on both sides with a drawstring to adjust it to your liking. Love that. Now let us get into the star of the show. Look at the dust bag that they sent the clippings in. I tell you guys, everything about the packaging is screaming luxury. No, this is their 18 inches clip-in hair extension in Water Kinky Coily texture. And guys, I'm already in love. Look how thick, look how full, look how bouncy these clip-ins are. And they only sent a pack, but guys, trust me, it is enough. But you'll see that further down in the video. So what I'm going to do now is just to pre-wash them, just to loosen up the curls a bit. Also to see the true length, plus I'm planning to wear these clip-ins for the entire week. So I just felt as if I needed to wash them. So let us get right into the video. Beautiful people, so these are what the clip-ins are looking like after they have dried, and I didn't use any blow dryer. I just left them out to air dry, and this is what it looks like after. Very full, very thick, very bouncy. So here's a little close-up, and this is how I would wear my hair on a normal day, but for the sake of the video I'm going to define the curls. It comes with 4 pieces with 2 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 pieces with 3 clips. 2 pieces with 4 clips. And then 2 pieces with 5 clips. Let us get into the installation of the video. I went ahead and prepped my hair already. So I did a little leave out because I'm doing a center part. I did some big cornrows. It's not perfect, but it can get the job done. What I'm going to do is to use the longer pieces at the back. So these are the ones with the 5 clips. I'm just going to repeat the entire process until I'm done. So water, mousse, this one, it didn't come fully to this side, so I'm going to start the other piece at this side and bring it around. close to the leave out. So I still have 2 pieces left. I mean, I might can like fill in, but I don't think that's necessary, to be honest. What I'm going to do now is to use my edge control and slick down my edges. See that? Alright, so let us do the other side. Oh, this is a good blend. I love it. So what I'm going to do now is to define the curls some more, but I'm going to use some gel. Normally I don't use gel to define my curls, but because of the hair texture, I feel as if the gel is the best thing to use. Oh, you see that? Wow. Okay. Because of the gel, it feels a little bit wet, so I might diffuse it, but my hair blended so well with the clip-ins. You see that? It looks really good. Okay, beautiful people, so this is what my hair is looking like. Let us talk about how perfect this looks. I think this is one of the best clip-ins I've ever used, ever. Look at that. Where's the leave out? I don't see the leave out. Where's the leave out? I cannot see any leave out. Look how well it blended. I went in and did a little bit of layering. Not too much on my layering. I cannot layer properly. But because the hair is so full, I felt as if it needed a little bit of layering just to, you know, shape my face some more. So I did that. I tried a thing. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's very cute. Ooh, she's perfect. And this is what it's looking like in the back. I doubt you guys can see any track. I doubt it. It's too full for that. And I can even pull off bang. I've never worn bangs. I don't know about that. But I'm showing you guys how versatile it is. No, I don't know about bangs. Thank you so much, Curlsqueen, for sending me these beautiful clip-ins. I really love them. It is very full, very full, heavy on the full. These are thick, okay? It's very soft, very bouncy. There's nothing to complain about. These are literally perfect. If you are interested in these clip-ins, click the link down below. I'll pin it in my comment section as well. Check them out. And before we go, Curlsqueen was very generous enough to give us a discount code. So I'm going to put my code right here on the screen. Use my code to shop these clip-ins to save those coins. Okay, you got to save those coins. Bye. I'm back. So I just thought to myself that probably you guys were looking forward to see what it looks like when it's dried down. So we are going to do that to see the difference. Already you can start to see a difference. I think I love this side more. So comment below and let me know, do you prefer this side or this side? Wow, just wow. I'm so happy I came back and dried it down because this looks even better. Look how big and full this is. So comment and let me know, do you prefer it this way or before? Let me know. Yeah, I love this. But as I said earlier, all the information will be in my description box, so click the link down below and check them out. Also remember to use my code.